Empty vessels make the loudest noise. One does not need to appreciate oneself, but rather it's better to let people appreciate you with your service. The Karbi-Anglong team of Karbi-Anglong Autonomous Council in every meetings and press conferences has said repeatedly that the BJP after coming to power has brought development all around the corner. But look at this visual. Would you call this a sign of development or backwardness? In case you're wondering, this is not an old video. This happened today. This incident happened today at around 10 a.m. in Binhum Dhonsing Ronghang village under the constituency of Phuloni and Singhason. The people of the village had to carry Mensing Milik to the hospital. Not just lack of hospital in the nearby area, but also the lack of road to bring him by an ambulance to the hospital at Manja made the people to carry him. The people of Binhum found no one with them despite the government promised to be with the people. Where are the people for whom the people of Binhum voted and when they desperately need them? With no roads, clean drinking water and hospital who'll bring change to their cause. It's been 40 years since the establishment of Binhum Dhonsing Ronghang village, but the Karbi-Anglong Autonomous Council had been turning a blind eye to them, says the people.
Binhum Dhonsing Ronghang arong pen kisu wachiman inglong arlok pe je ipen nilitum rong isi rathur pak edoni nut pensi kisu jewan pono mon nilitum malang lipan adak manja hospital along aton tadu siku ngasi nilitum hadak si kecepon gi fansi non bor pono pen nilitum kedu ladakan ningkan ke banangat han ningkan tikebat dulu pusake sar-sar tum nang khan sitami piniar misi sita nilito han sorkar ahin pen kerap nontuan ta ajat ason ta thek iklong nila ali gabe ajo ini pen sinili tumla ane ki sunglo gaduk kwiarat sita theklong prong lo bon sita arleng the tum sita nili tumarong heta mai meeting ke bang heta thek kanglong lo sita me non puta nang panungku ka son sinili tum thek ponong.
What's not been able to done in the last 5 years, if Karbi-Anglong Autonomous Council pays more heed to the places with no water, road and electricity, then it will make the life of people better. Dirchuna Rongpis report from Phuloni, Karbi-Anglong Live.